In today's video, I will show you how to fix character AI chat error problem on Android. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. After that, open Character AI and check if the chat is working. If the problem is still there, open the Character AI app. Now tap on your profile or right side menu. Then go to Settings, and here you will see the Logout option. Tap on Logout, then wait for a few seconds. After that, log in again to your account and check if the chat error is fixed. Now open the Google Play Store and search for Character AI. If there is an update available, tap on Update and install the latest version. After updating, open the app again and check.